I love to wear belts, and I wear them out. I get belts usually that have like all kind of different types of studs or other embellishments. So when I wear them out, I hate to throw them away because they look so cool. So I decided with this black belt here that I'm going to cut out the designs and make Christmas ornaments, or they can be used as car charms that you hang on your rearview mirror. I'm really excited about this DIY project because they're going to be so easy and so fun. Just a little more to cut around this design. And look what we have. I'm going to paint the back side here a metallic silver, but first I'm going to use my leather hole punch and make a hole so that I can put the chain through it so we can hang it either on the tree or in our car. Here is the metallic silver paint I'm going to use. I'm going to paint the edges as well as the back side. I wanted to make sure to paint the back side and even the sides so that the silver will look really good if the charm, car charm, or the ornament turns when it is hanging, and it will still look pretty. I am now going to cut around this other studded design on the belt. I like it. I have these bead chains that will be perfect for these Christmas ornaments or car charms. They have the clasp that you just slide the bead through. I put the chains on the ornaments, and I got 6 ornaments or car charms out of this one belt so far. I think they are poppin'. I love them. Many people would have just thrown the belt away, but not me. I love to upcycle. So we have these beautiful Christmas ornaments or car charms, or you could even hang these on your handbag to give it a fun new look. They make the perfect small little added gift for the holidays. Here they are just laying spread out on my dining room table just so that you can see all the different patterns.